हेलो हाय नमस्ते, वेलकम टू माय चैनल बी ऑसम ऑलवेज। सो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप आप सब घर पे होगे, अच्छे होगे और सेफ होगे। So why we are here? We are here to know more about Bihar, what Bihar we know and what Bihar is. So I am here to tell you what Bihar actually is. So let's get started with the video. But before that, if you are new to this video, do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you are my friends, do share or do pour more love to my channel. So let's get started with the video. But before that, I just wanted to ask you guys, like, what is the first thing which comes in your mind when we talk about something? Like when we tell about Punjab, it's lassi, parathe, Jammu, Jai Mata Di, Calcutta, rasgulle, Rajasthan, deserts, Delhi, capital of India, Kanyakumari, beaches, Bihar, Lalu. No guys, Bihar is not about Lalu. Bihar is much more than Lalu, which you guys don't know. So that's why I'm here to tell you what Bihar actually is. You can see development in all the fields in Bihar, from infrastructure, education, development in all the field, in hospitality, every field you can see the development in Bihar, guys. You can see the development not only in Bihar capital Patna, in all the city of Bihar, taking from Gaya, Muzaffarpur, Bodh Gaya, Samastipur, all the cities of Bihar, you can see the development. So I am here to tell you what Bihar actually is. So let's start with the history of Bihar. It is one of the oldest place which was founded by King of Magad in around 490 BC. The old name of Bihar or Patna was Patliputra. Okay, so Patna is the capital of Indian state of Bihar. It is one of the third largest in state and 12th largest in population. In India, 1.9 million of people stay in in Bihar population as per the report of government. And Bihar is situated in the bank of river Ganga. Ganga, if you guys know, it is a very holy river, river Ganga. So we all worship, like हम लोग पूजा करते हैं, हमारे लिए रिवर गंगा बहुत पूजनीय है, हम पूजा करते हैं. तो रिवर गंगा बहुत होली रिवर होता है बिहारी के लिए. आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोग जानते हैं कि रिवर गंगा बहुत पवित्र नदी मानी जाती है. फिर what is the main occupation of Bihari? The main occupation of Biharis are in agriculture. The most of the Biharis are in agriculture, are in farmers. As I told you, Bihar is still in under developing state. अभी बिहार डेवलपिंग स्टेज की तरफ है, जहाँ पे हम डेवलपमेंट हर स्टेज में, हर फील्ड में, हर सिटी ऑफ बिहार में देख सकते हैं. हमारे जो चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं नीतीश कुमार, उनके द्वारा बहुत अच्छा काम किया जा रहा है और हम डेवलपमेंट हर स्टेट, हर सिटी में देख सकते हैं. तो हमारा मेन ऑक्यूपेशन अभी बिहारियों का है, वो है एग्रीकल्चर, फार्मर. एंड दे आर द रियल हीरो, आई मस्ट से, बिकॉज दे डू वर्क from morning till night. They do a lot work. I must salute to the farmers. So they are the real hero of in the agriculture field. So agriculture, yes, it's occupation of Biharis. Let's talk about the Bihari language. The language we speak is Bhojpuri, Mathili, Magahi, but mostly it is Bhojpuri. So let me tell you some two lines in Bhojpuri. कैसन बा, सब ठीक है, खाना खा लिया, ठीक बा. So this is some two lines which just I told you. I think Lalu was more famous with the language he speaks, that is in a Bhojpuri tone, and it is a very sweetest language, I must say, guys. If you know the Bhojpuri, you'll just have fun to interact in Bhojpuri. So even I love Bhojpuri language a lot. Okay, so the famous food. So the famous food of Biharis are लिट्टी चोखा. It's a very famous food. I think सभी जानते होंगे कि बिहार का famous food है लिट्टी चोखा. और फिर हम बात कर लेते हैं डेजर्ट का. तो बिहार का famous डेजर्ट होता है खाजा, तिलकुट, ठेकुआ, खीर. हमारे घर पे कोई भी मेहमान आ जाता है, लाइक सडनली इफ एनी पीपल विल कम, वी विल प्रिपेयर खीर एंड विल सर्व. सो इट इज वन ऑफ द फेमस डेजर्ट, वी मस्ट से. Thekwa. Why Thekwa? The holy festival or the famous festival of Bihar is Chhat Puja. और छठ पूजा का जो मेन प्रसादम होता है, द मेन प्रसाद विच वी सर्व टू गॉड इन दिस फेस्टिवल इज ठेकुआ, विच इज मेड अप ऑफ प्योर गेहूं का आटा एंड गुड़, एंड इट इज वेरी टेस्टी टू ईट, एंड वो बहुत टेस्टी होता है. आई शेयर द वीडियो फॉर दिस ठेकुआ. इट्स अ वेरी स्वीट एंड वेरी नाइस डेजर्ट. तो आप भी इसे ट्राई कर लेना. मैं इसके साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो शेयर करूंगी ठेकुआ के लिए. तो हमारा फेमस फेस्टिवल है छठ पूजा. फिर मैंने आपको बता दिया हमारा ऑक्यूपेशन क्या है, हमारा फेवरेट फूड क्या है, हमारा डेजर्ट क्या है, हमारे साइड कितने डेवलपमेंट हो रहे हैं, ग्रोथ हो रहे हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट गाइज. So guys, Jat Jatin is one of the famous dance form of North Biharis, which generally North Bihari people do. So Jat Jatin is the dance form of Bihar, and like the most people in Bihar are Hindu, but when you come to the railway station of Bihar, once you come out of the railway station of Bihar, you can see the one side is a temple, a very big Hanumana temple, which is very famous. I'll take you guys there once, and the opposite to it is a masjid. So we spread in the community of love, being a Hindu, Muslim, Sikh. If you guys know even this, like the 10th Guru of Sikhism, Guru Gobind Singh is from Bihar, and it's a very holy Gurudwara, which is again in Patna. So I'll take you guys there as well. So that is again from Bihari. So we spread the thing of being all one, being Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Buddhism, Isai, anything, we one. So that is what we spread, being which you get once you come to Bihar. So, and if you guys aware, Bihar is the birthplace of Buddhism, because it is a place where the divine light of enlightenment was showered at Gautam Buddha at Bodhi tree, which is in Bodh Gaya. So again, it is very famous for Buddhism in Bihar. Valmiki National Park, Tiger Reserve, the wildlife sanctuary located in the West Champaran district of Bihar, which is the only national reserve park in Bihar. So friends, there are so many places which you can come explore in Patna, like Golghar, Agampua, Patan Devi, Patna Museum, Taramandal, Nalanda University, Hanumana Mandir, Mahabodhi Temple, Mahabodhi tree where the God enlightenment of lights, the famous Gurudwara, Ashok Pillar, Garam Kund. If we talk about the famous people which came from Bihar, okay, so the first name is Mata Sita. So Ramayan will not be exist if Sita character was not there. So yes, Mata Sita was again from Bihar. Mahavir, Lord Mahavir, Lord Mahavir is again from Bihar. Lord Buddha, Buddhism again started from Bihar. So yes, a Lord Buddha, and Bihar is famous for Lord Buddha. You can see many statues, many monasteries in Bihar for Buddhism. Then we start with Aryabhat, Ashok, Chandragupta Maurya, Chanakya Niti again. Matlab everybody know about the Chanakya Niti. In history, in the history what Chanakya Niti is all about. So yes, Chanakya again is from Bihar. Then Jai Prakash Narayan ji. Then Rajendra Prasad, the first president of India, is from Bihar. The Bihar airport name is Jai Prakash Narayan Airport, is the name of Patna airport. It is given by the famous leader of Bihar, that is Jai Prakash Narayan, which I told you. So this is what about Bihar, guys. I told you about history, what Bihar history was, how Bihar originated, what Bihar gives to the society, the famous people which they gave to Biharis, the famous food, the occupation, the education. The education which Bihari adopts is, we have a 2 university in Bihar, that is a Patna University and Magad University. So which has been changed to Patliputra University now, which was earlier a Magad University from where I have studied, but now it has been changed to Patliputra University. Sorry, my wrong. So this is what, and this is what real Bihar is, guys. And I'll share you some of the picture after the videos where you can see the development, you know, like the metro rail is even starting. Nitish Kumar has started for the metro rail, you know, things which will be very soon we'll see in Bihar as well. Too many malls has been started, many Tata companies has been came to Bihar, many Tata industries has started in Bihar. So a lot of you know, business, a lot of people can get you know, job opportunities has started in Bihar. We can see the development in the field of roadside. So many bridges has been formed, the constructions happening all over. We can see a big ISBT bus stand, which will be the biggest bus stand in the Patna. So again, this has been a new development which we can see in Bihar. A lot of malls, a lot of education sector, a lot of coachings. If you talk about restaurants for more you know, marketing, so even that has been created in Bihar. So there is a lot many new, you know, 5-star, you talk about 4-star hotels we do have in Bihar, you talk about malls we do have, you talk about, you know, pubs we do have, you talk about you know, barbecue nation, or you know, a buffet type of restaurant we do have, you talk about cafes we do have. So you talk we have, and still it's an undergoing stage. So you think if Bihar will be a, you know, a developed stage, what Bihar will be after just imagine of 4-5 years, what Bihar picture will. So what my thing to tell you guys, Bihar is not what you know, Bihar is what you guys have to know. So for that you have to see my pictures. I'll share some of the pictures of developing Bihar, and from my more videos I'll let you know, I'll take you guys to the many more places of Bihar which is in developing stage, what are all developed have been happened in Bihar. So you will be getting many new updates on Bihar. Apart from Bihar, even I'll share more videos, but my more focus will be on, you know, to tell you guys the real picture of Bihar, how it is. So for that you need to like, share, subscribe guys, and hit the bell button for more updates. And it will be my promise, I'll be keep posting with you good updates, with new updates of Bihar development, with new recent updates of, you know, in all the sectors of Bihar. For that do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button. And one more thing guys, for I think abhi you might have, you know, मुझे ऐसा लगता है अभी ये वीडियो देखने के बाद you might be interested to come explore Bihar. तो हमारे बिहार में बहुत सारे अच्छे होटल्स हैं, मौर्य होटल, पनास होटल, फिर आपका हो गया लेमन ट्री, बहुत सारे होटल्स है जहाँ पे आप आके स्टे कर सकते हो. आप एयरपोर्ट के पास जाओ, वहाँ पे भी छोटे रेस्टोरेंट्स और छोटे होटल्स हैं जहाँ पे आप आके स्टे कर सकते हो. आप अगर आप बाई, यू नो, रेलवेज आ रहे हो तो वहाँ रेलवेज के पास हमारा जो स्टेशन है वहाँ पे बहुत सारे होटल्स हैं. उनके भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी उन होटल्स के साथ कि क्या होटल्स है. बहुत बजट में भी मिल जाएगा, कम बजट वाले होंगे, ज़्यादा बजट वाले होंगे, आपके अकॉर्डिंग सब तरह के होटल्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. तो माई सजेशन विल बी डू कम एक्सप्लोर बिहार वंस, और इस मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करते रहें. और आइए और कुछ दिन तो गुजारिए बिहार में.